Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you for agreeing to meet me at this 5-star restaurant. Tonight, we will be dining on foods that are of only the highest of quality, such as this pineapple juice. Signature dishes made by Krafted by Kate herself. I would like to raise a glass to Krafted by Kate. Thank you so much for collabing with me on this video. I cannot wait to try your new cookie flavors. For this next part, it is very important that I put down my glass. What's up guys, welcome back. It's me, Kirrilee, and today I bring you cookies. We will be trying out Krafted by Kate's brand new flavors that she has so sweetly sent to me to sample. Plus, I also decided to support small business and purchased a box of Krafted by Kate cookies. So today we're going to be trying all of the flavors. I am so excited. I have tried Krafted by Kate cookies before and I can tell you they are by far the best cookies I've ever had in my entire life. When I say I'm excited, I mean it. I am so keen to try these cookies today. So let's get into it. We're about to be in food heaven. Bubble wrap. Oh my god, look at this presentation. Look at this. They're all beautifully wrapped up in this black paper. We have a note on the lid of the box. It says, "Hey there, thanks for your order. We hope you enjoy every bite. Have a wonderful day." And then a quote from the Cookie Monster. It says, "A friend is someone to share the last cookie with." That's adorable. I love this. Now, these cookies look amazing. Like, they seriously... The presentation is just incredible. She also put in a little business card, which is really great because on the back of them, they actually have little tips on how to best enjoy your cookies. So it says, remember, these are best served warm. Heat them up for 20 seconds in the microwave for a gooey, melt in your mouth cookie. Store cookies in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain freshness for up to 10 days. Oreo Cheesecake is definitely my favorite flavor out of all of her cookie flavors. However, there is a new cookie flavor that could be taking over as the position of top cookie out of all the cookies from Krafted by Kate, and that is one of the new flavors. We have a Biscoff cookie, and if there's one thing in this world that I really, really love, it's Biscoff. And this looks absolutely incredible. It's got a little cookie on it. What the heck? Let's get into it. I'm so keen. I'm gonna... My god, pineapple juice is just, love it. We're starting off with our Nutella cookie. Look at this. Does that not look like the most heavenly cookie on the planet? Okay, so I think the best way for me to show you guys how amazing and gooey the insides of these cookies are is to break them in half. So this is the Nutella cookie. This just looks amazing. I can't wait to take a bite out of this. Oh my goodness. Are we ready for this? Because I don't think I'm prepared. Cheers. Oh my god. There's no way it's possible for something to taste this good. It's just incredible. The inside of the cookie is like... The only word I can think to use is moist. And I feel like the only situation where the word moist should be allowed to be used is when you're describing a cookie or a baked good in general. This cookie, the inside is moist, it's soft, and it's so full of Nutella. It's just melting in my mouth and it tastes incredible. I'm in cookie heaven right now. Every mouthful of this is just a whole experience. The next flavor we have is the chocolate peanut butter. Does this not look incredible? Okay, let's break this in half. Oh my goodness. This one has a bunch of melted chocolate in the center as well, and my hands are covered in chocolate, but I'm not even sorry about it. Okay, taste test time. You've got the salty crunchiness of the peanuts, and you've got this sweet, rich, dark chocolate, and then you've got that sweetness from the cookie, and it just goes together so well. It's like these flavors were just made for each other. I love the crunchiness of the peanuts compared to the softness of the cookie and that beautiful runny gooey chocolate. It's just everything about this cookie is so good, and it's so full of flavor. Like, she's not stingy with the flavor at all. There's so much chocolate in there. There is so much peanut butter in there. Just cookie heaven. Cookie heaven. And if you aren't huge fans of milk or dark chocolate, I have here a white chip macadamia cookie. White chocolate and macadamia together is like a match made in heaven. Like, honestly, it's such a great combination. So definitely keen to try this one out. Look how beautiful this looks. Let's break it open and see what we're working with. Oh, it's like already falling apart. It's so soft. As you can see, it is so chunky and so full of macadamia. I am so looking forward to this one. Let's just take a bite and see what we think. Honestly, amazing. I was expecting nothing less than amazing for this cookie anyway, and it's lived up to my expectations and exceeded them. It's so good. The cookie is so soft and it pairs so well with that chunky, crunchy macadamia. And then you've got that beautiful creamy texture and taste that comes from the white chocolate. Best combination, and I'm so glad that she has this on her menu because it's incredible. I love how big they are too. Like, look at the size of this. It's so thick. This is honestly the perfect winter snack too. Like, it's so warm. The best comfort food on the planet. Cookies are just always the best comfort food, and these cookies are just like next level. If you are a fan of red velvet, then I have the cookie for you. Red velvet cookie. Red velvet and white chocolate. Look at this. Look at that white chocolate on the top too. Does that not just look incredible? And it's so thick. Look how thick this is. That is a cookie. That is like a sizable chunk right there. And you can literally see all of the white chocolate chips in the bottom as well. Like, there's so much in there. I'm so keen for this one. Let's break this open and see what's inside. Oh my goodness. This one is just stuffed with white chocolate chips. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's give this our taste test. This cookie in particular is so decadent. It's so rich. I love that red velvet flavor, and the texture of it is just amazing. Like, we've got that really silky white chocolate and it makes it so creamy. This is definitely a melt in your mouth kind of cookie. This is such a great cookie, honestly. If you love red velvet, then this is the cookie for you. All right, so next up we are trying, if I don't knock it off the plate, we are trying this absolute chunk of a cookie. This is such a thick boy. Look at this one. This is like the size of my face. This is chocolate and walnut. Just looking at this, I cannot wait to break this open and see what it looks like on the inside. There is so much chocolate in this one, oh my goodness. Just looking at this, I can already tell it's so gooey and so chocolatey, and I just know I'm really gonna enjoy this one. So let's give this one a shot. A piece just fell off, so I think this one belongs to me. We're back again with that really rich flavor of the dark chocolate. It's so prominent and it just tastes so good. That paired with the nutty, salty flavor of the walnuts is just next level. And honestly, that soft cookie texture mixed in with that kind of gooey chocolate and then the crunchy walnuts is just a flavor to die for, honestly. And so soft. Like, it's just such a soft cookie. Look at my fingers. Okay, next up we have one of the new flavors. This is the strawberries and cream cookie. Just look at that pink white chocolate, I believe it is. It's so cute. It's just like this baby pink and it really stands out. Presentation, definitely a 10 out of 10. This just looks like something I want to take a bite out of, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna take a chunk. I've never tried this flavor before, so it's gonna be interesting to see what it tastes like. You guys are getting my first reaction right now. Let's give this a try. Yeah, I'm down for it. This is really nice, honestly. I got so excited about trying the flavor out, I barely even showed you the inside of this. Look at that gooey inside. I can taste that hint of strawberry in there and it's really, really creamy. I really love the flavor of this cookie. It almost reminds me, the texture reminds me of like fresh banana bread, which I know is a little bit weird, like it's not exactly related. It's just got this softness to it that just really melts in your mouth. It's not too strong, but there's like this nice hint of the strawberry in there. And then it's just super creamy. It's just so creamy and it's just, Plus, I just love the little pink white chocolate on the top. I thought that was so cute. This one is definitely approved by me. Definitely not the top one though, because Oreo Cheesecake just smashes it out of the park, but this is still a really nice flavor. All right, and we are down to our second last cookie and our second in the new cookie flavors. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Biscoff cookie. Look at this. Look at that Biscoff biscuit we have sitting on top there, and then it's just drizzled all over in Biscoff. That just looks divine, honestly. I'm so excited for this one. I love Biscoff so much. Guys, look at this. There is just Biscoff oozing out of this. It's just so full of Biscoff. Look at that. Kate, you have outdone yourself. This is just, oh my goodness. Okay, let's take a bite into this biscuit. It's just falling apart. It's so soft. My goodness. It's so big too. Like, let's do this. Sorry, I just went to heaven for a second there. I was just having a moment. This is like all of my Biscoff prayers have been answered. This is incredible. The softness of it, that kind of gingery cinnamon flavor. This is everything Biscoff is. Like, honestly, if you love Biscoff or even remotely like Biscoff, if you haven't tried Biscoff but you want to, get this cookie. Oh my goodness, you need to try this cookie. I am lost for words. It's so soft. That flavor, it's stuffed full of Biscoff. The Biscoff biscuit and then that Biscoff inside, it just really makes it. I'm having one heck of a moment right now, guys. It's really nice too because there's that kind of separation of the flavors, because you've got the Biscoff biscuit and then you've got the flavor of the cookie itself, and then you've also got that flavor of that oozing warm Biscoff that's in the middle, and all of it combined just makes this ticket to heaven. I keep on thinking like, okay, one more bite and then we'll like move on to the next one, but then I just, one more bite, one more bite. 10 out of 10, honestly. Like, this cookie I think would almost tie for first place. I'm gonna give the Oreo Cheesecake another go, and then we're gonna see which one we like better. Stay tuned. Let's find out which cookie is the best cookie from Krafted by Kate. I gotta know. This is like, I need to know. We are down to our final cookie, and this one is the Oreo Cheesecake cookie. The first time I ever tried Krafted by Kate cookies, this was my absolute favorite. So we're about to see if the Biscoff cookie beats the Oreo Cheesecake. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bit cooked on the bottom, as you can tell, but it looks delicious. Look at that. Let's jump right to it. Oreo Cheesecake. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. I can smell the cheesecake already. Let's do our taste test and see which cookie we think is better. Right off the bat, that texture is amazing. It's like soft, it's silky. It's like I'm eating Oreo cheesecake. I can taste the cream cheese in there. I can taste the Oreo. Everything about this cookie is just phenomenal. This is so good. It tastes like there's a whole slice of cheesecake buried inside this cookie somewhere. So we have a piece of Oreo cheesecake and a piece of Biscoff. So I'm gonna try a little nibble of both, and we're gonna work out which one is our winner. So, man, that is so good. That is really, really hard. Cause like, with the Biscoff one, you can taste the cookie as well. Like you can really taste that cookie in there, but it's also got that Biscoff flavor just flowing right through it. Plus it had a whole Biscoff biscuit sitting on top of it. And I love Biscoff, so it's like, it makes sense. But this one, the flavor of the cookie for this one is a lot more subtle, and you've got a lot more of that Oreo cheesecake in there. I also really like just how much Oreo is just packed into this cookie. There is so much. And that gooey texture is so similar to cheesecake. So I love them both for just different reasons. I don't think I can decide, guys. I really don't think I can decide. It's just too difficult. I'm just gonna have to make it tied because it's just too difficult. But honestly, I am lost for words at the phenomenal flavoring, texture, and just everything. The existence of these cookies is amazing. Thank you so much to Krafted by Kate for trusting me to do this collaboration. Your cookies are incredible. Your new flavors are sensational. I absolutely loved all of the cookie flavors. They were amazing. If you guys want to go and check out Krafted by Kate, I will leave a link to her website down below, as well as all of her social media platforms. Krafted by Kate has been so sweet to give me a discount code that I can share with you guys, and you guys can get 10% off if you use Kirrilee10 at the checkout. Help support small businesses during this time because we all know that they really do need it. So go and grab some cookies and let me know if you think Biscoff or Oreo cheesecake is better, because honestly, I can't decide, so please help me decide. Don't forget to follow all of her social media platforms as well. I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed. Comment down below and let me know which cookie flavor you'd like to try, or if you try any of the flavors, please let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that bell button so that you get notifications every single time that I post. I love you all very, very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.